Yes, so we're ChooChooCheap, and I want to start by telling you about a paradox. This is called the paradox of life, and it says that in each stage of your life, you're missing 1 out of 3 essential aspects. And these 3 aspects are time, money, and health. Well, we as students, we are in the first of the 3 phases, and our most limiting factor is money. But we are young, and we also want to travel, and we want to explore the world, and we want to do this with the least money possible, and, if possible, also sustainably. So, when we look at what is out there on the market, then there are a lot of train ticketing websites for train tickets, and also planes, of course. We all know that traveling by train is more sustainable than traveling by a plane. But what we see is that Omeo, for example, or Trainline, do not have an explorative mode. You have to enter your end destination, and with that, it is not very flexible in comparing different destinations, different tickets for different times, and different destinations. When we look at Skyscanner, or for example Google Flights, we see that they have those options, and it's way easier to find your plane tickets. And that is why we want to develop the ChooChooCheap platform. It is a platform for train tickets within Europe, and you just enter your starting point and no destination, and on a map you can explore every end destination and compare all the prices, and also for your convenient time frame. And with filters you can even further fine-tune your search to find the best suitable train tickets for your goal. And with this we want to stimulate greener travel habits.
Now, how can we actually do it? To launch the platform, we need to tackle some really important challenges. And that's why we want to become affiliate partners of the popular website Omeo. That not only gives us access to their already established ticketing system, but also gives us access to their already big database of connections, train connections, which we want to, of course, enlarge ourselves. That, in turn, also leads to our commissions. Now, we want to make an impact, and we evaluated that looking at mostly Western and Central Europe, where the train infrastructure is already well established and people are attracted to traveling by trains, we could reach up to 1.4 million students or people in that group age, which translates to around above 88,000 tons of emissions saved each year just by people choosing trains instead of going with planes on holidays. We are ChooChooCheap, and with us, Paris is not just a destination, it's just a starting point.